My list consists of things that you're doing outside of the court or field, the impact on the community, if you're giving back to whoever. That's how my list came about. And number one for me is LeBron. He's great on the court, great off the court. Definitely off the court, I definitely respect him 100%. Number two for me, Usain Bolt. Again, another person I believe he's done a lot for his country and things of that nature.
He also whooping niggas' ass in track.
Yeah, definitely.
Fastest man for like 10 straight years.
Definitely. Number three, I'm gonna go with Floyd Mayweather. Now, I know a lot of people don't like his outside of the ring personality and things of that nature, but when that boy is in the ring, he's dominant.
You said you take a lot of things into consideration.
This is true.
You ain't considering it with that one.
I believe he's done a lot of things.
He ain't gave back. He ain't gave back to shit.
I wouldn't say
He
that.
said,
Just
I'm not giving back to shit. I'm still shopping at Gucci.
He's giving back to his family, which is
okay.
He did community
ain't
stuff
no
too.
okay. He can be an asshole or not. We
He
don't
did
know.
community stuff too.
I don't know who
what he
he's
did.
put through college and things of that
All I
nature.
know, you said you took a lot of things into consideration.
Yeah.
You ain't consider some of these things with this nigga.
Well, anyway, he's on my list.
He don't mind too. Just by the way.
Serena, definitely for the ladies. She's another beast on that tennis court. She can beat some guys. Nah, I'm not gonna get into that, but she can beat some guys.
Well,
But
yeah,
definitely, I'm gonna put KD on there. Kevin Durant, another one beast on the court. I think he's a family guy, and I respect him off the court as well. I don't respect all the moves he makes off the court, but hey, to each his own. So I'm gonna go with Sidney Crosby for the hockey folks out there. There's a few other hockey players I could have mentioned, but I'm gonna go with Sidney Crosby. I don't know the sport as well, but I know he's always up there, and so hey, I went with him. I'm going with Verlander. I'm not a baseball guy, but I know his dominance as far as pitching. I believe he won the Cy Young last year or the year before, so he's been consistent with it. Had some up and down years, but overall consistent with it. And then I have Nadal for the men's tennis. Another beast, left-handed, just a beast. And then I'm going to go Drew Brees for my football. That's how I round up my top 10. Brees is still consistent, still throwing touchdowns, still throwing deep. He can still make any pass up to this day, and I can't say that about some other quarterbacks. So that's my list.